itu kura-kura.
Oke, awas tuh, Ge. Ini lagi. Pak, tak ondong mana?
Banyak foto-foto biar datang ke Endongone nanti sama
Nanti kata Uning katanya nanti ini kamu tempat sih.
saya Cik.
Welcome to our underwater tunnel that is also known as the living ocean area. Please be reminded that flash from your capturing devices are not allowed inside the tunnel. Strollers and wheelchairs will go through the left side of the tunnel. The rest will stand on the walkulator on the right side. Do not sit down on the walkulator or anywhere inside of the tunnel area. Please wear your masks at all times for your own safety. Proceed to the next area if your area is crowded. Please do not knock on the glass. Please take care of your personal belongings and never leave it inside of the tunnel space. Do not eat or drink during your time inside the tunnel. Ensure that your family, friends, and your partners are with you at all times. Kindly reach out to any of our staff nearby if you need an assistance. Thank you for choosing Aquarium LLC